Hello, the video which I am showing right now is regarding my main project. The project deals with controlling robot using any smartphone. The controlling is done through Wi-Fi protocol. Nowadays, wireless robots are creating a new era and project is one of enhancement of those robots. Through our project, we can control our robot within the Wi-Fi range. Usually the range upon the Wi-Fi device which we are using. The type of technology is very useful in future because the needs of smartphones also increasing. By this technology we can control the robot by simply giving commands. Now let's come to the hardware description. We start with the motherboard. We are using an NXP microcontroller P89V51RD2 designed by Philips. We are using capacitors, resistors, diodes and other electronic devices also. We are using two ICs for controlling motors, and also we are using another IC called MAX232. It is an integrated circuit that converts signals from an RC232 serial port to TTL compatible digital logic circuits. We are using 4 LEDs, 4 switches. LEDs are connected to port 3 and switches are connected to port 2. We are using regulator which is used to maintain 5 volts. We are using 2 main switches, one for supplying power to the board and another is for supplying power to motors. This is the power socket. These pins are used to connect Wi-Fi to the port 1 of microcontroller. The left wheel is connected to motor 1 and the right wheel is connected to the motor 3. To connect this hardware we are using Wi-Fi protocol. For Wi-Fi protocol we are using a device called Wi-Fi or NXV. This consists of antenna device, covers wide area when compared to other devices. This device also uses ultra low power. The network which is created can be secured in the same device. It also supports ad hoc and infrastructure networks. We can configure this device either by UART or wireless network, which even is suitable for us. To connect the smartphone to the robot, the phone must have a Telnet application installed in it. Now connect the Wi-Fi of the robot. Connect to the Wi-Fi to My Ad Hoc network. Now go to the application of this project. Go to the Telnet. Now configure the IP address and port number. Here the IP address is 192.168.43.13 and the port number is 2000. After setting the configuration, we should connect to the device. After connecting to the device, give the commands forward. This command is for forward, and now backward, left and right. These are the commands used to move the robot in our project. Thank you.